talking more. I hold you, melody, I miss so. You hold a feel it a little all night. Yeah, oh, I together the taka disiki with your la fati. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. I'm filming in my parents' room because it's like the only quiet room. I have a whole gang out right there. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I happen to be Sharika here, and if you're new here, please stick around. Please like, subscribe and all that. And guys, so I know I've been gone for a very long time for those that watch my channel every day, right? But guys, I come back and I bring myself farm vlog. I hope you guys like these few days on the farm that I'm going to film for you guys. So please guys, thank you for watching, for tuning back in. I don't know, I think I'm rambling, but yeah. So hi guys, it's the end of the day of this day. I didn't really work much, but from tomorrow, because it was a hectic day, because my parents were traveling and all. So I'm just adding wood. Ouch. I'm just adding wood to this hot water thing on donkey. So we bath in hot water. This is our geyser. Oh, these kids went to play soccer. I don't know what time they're coming to bath, but I'm the parent now. I think that's enough for now. Don't be. Ow! Gus! Me, I hate cats. I hate pets. I hate cats. I hate pets, guys. I hate cats. I hate cats. But we need to keep them for the mice and the snakes. But yeah, this is how it looks. So, to basically make the hot water in the shower hot. But yeah. I know I'm in the bathroom now, but this welcome to another day in the vlog now. I'm really gonna try to vlog today. I need content for you guys and I'm gonna get serious. Let me fix my blood. I'm just going to have breakfast now and do some things like wash tomatoes I got from this other white man and all that. I don't know how it looks like. But I don't. You're already fixing this is like my breakfast name. This is my niece bread. This is my bread. I'm going to drink rainbow tea today. I don't wanna drink coffee today. What's the drink coffee? Let's open the white sugar. Now we have to open the.
My goats married two kids. And then one of them is my goat and the sister, I don't know what the boy or girl. Then my goat gave birth to two kids. The mother, my two babies, my goat, and the sister, 5.
It's not the mother, sister, Moses. He basically your goat gave birth 4 times. 4 kids most.
Not 4 times. Just like let me say it's my goat and it's 2 kids. That's my goat and it's 2 kids. The sister and the mother. That's right.
So how many goats have you in total?
5.
Okay. Oh guys, we are I don't know, say we are at the post like or humble, something like that. So yeah, this way they make charcoal here, so they burn it on the ground. It's already burned. This like charcoal that makes like it makes the hablicol that you guys smoke is what it is. Muhammad people the trees. It's made from Muhammad. It's to come here. Yeah. Show one more. One more. Oh, Mama.
Inji.
Habli babli sa hote kon kanira. Habli babli ya tunso.
So those are all that All that side.
Yeah.
That side too.
Makaras di goed gaan Dubai toe.
Dubai.
Yeah. Is it not India? One of the two. Dubai or India.
Dubai.
For what?
To make habli.
Wanneer-
To make the code for habli.
Wanneer een trok kom en die God van die walvis bij Namibia.
So it goes through the harbor because it's so heavy. I didn't move the phone.
Totoro aan my person. William, come go guys. Hello. Hello.
We are going back now, guys. This is all for today. I'll continue with the vlog tomorrow. Hi, guys. Is the sun even hitting or up? Say hi. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Afternoon, guys. Like it's another day in the vlog. Like today's what? Today's the 29th of June. I'm not in a good mood, but I have to clip. I'm here scrubbing walls in toilets and what? I'm not in a mood. Let me tell you a story about this house. So one day, my niece was told to bath or something like that, and she didn't want to bath. And then there were like those things where you hang your things. I don't know what she came to do. She pulled it off. She took her slab off and pulled the tiles and brought all the tiles down. And then they went up big after that. But yeah, I understand, bruh. Like, I understand her. She was so bad. It was unnecessary. Now she broke the tiles. Get set, go. Okay. Yen, jibate ra, jalan, teka. Okay, gua taron.
Webalina mu byuko omwere mbusha hampo umwe matushibitsa kwemba wepe ikaula noshiwanache okabenduka ngotse noshiwanache wahorera maise wanani mu bitatu noshiwanache nori kanyuka noshiwanache Maria kanzetu nobanashi mwakanjira oshiwanache uwanga.
Hi guys. This is a new day in the vlog. Today is the 4th of July. Today I'm making breakfast. Oh yeah, it's true. Right? Today I'm making breakfast for the fam. Okay guys.
Gini. Bilang je bu.
Guys, welcome back to hi guys, welcome back to a new day. We are at the road now collecting grass for the cows. Things like that. So yeah, I'm with these kids, all of us are here, and my brother. So this is the process. I'm harking. The kids are picking up. May utara utur. Wah, macam ni. Bukan vlog je. Iya, kasih dong macam mana? Ini nama. Uya, uno berapa ribu kajian jalan? Guys, this is another day in the vlog. This is the last day. I think I'm closing off the vlog here, but I'm doing laundry. I'm doing laundry.
So, welcome to Shire's YouTube channel. This is her farm vlog. And yeah, this is me, her cousin, doing the most as I should. Anyways, also go subscribe to my channel. And yes, my AS shirt is my farm shirt. And yes, I've been wearing this shirt. Don't come for me.
Guys, we have come to the end of the farm vlog. Guys, I thank you guys for watching. Please comment and like and subscribe. So before we end the vlog, I'm about to surprise my mother with the early birthday gift. So her birthday is on the 17th of July, but I'm leaving tomorrow. The 11th, the 10th tomorrow, and today is the 9th. So we're surprising. This like just some. She wanted this year. She said she wanted some dishes this year. And so this is what I bought. This is not like really a lot, but yeah, at least for this all from all the kids at home, hope, etc. Then after that, I'm just gonna fill in my niece is going to high school, guys. Can you believe it? She's going to high school, so I'm just gonna fill in her application forms and then I'm done for the day. I'm already packed, guys. So bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.